Innovation Boost gave us a real opportunity to move from tweaking things to make them better, to being able to take the time and to really work through a problem and come up with a proper innovation process to radically improve some of our products. It occurred to us that additive manufacturing and 3D printing was a real technology that could transform this part of manufacturing, and would actually not just change the way that things were made, but actually free up a lot of time and those skills so that we can treat more people, and also come up with a process that we could roll out to other people internationally as well.
I'm Alex Lennon. I'm a senior lecturer in School of Mechanical Aerospace Engineering in Queen's. They were already quite an innovative company or a group of people. I guess, like I said, they lacked expertise in certain areas. So I think I suppose one of the key kind of innovation principles then that I tried to sort of embed with them was this, trying to, I guess, show them how things like virtual prototyping through computer-aided engineering techniques, backed up with some sort of mechanical testing and physical testing that they could do, how these might support in each new step that they try to add to their workflow, I guess, to their fabrication technique.
I think I'd highly recommend Innovation Boost. It was a really positive experience for us. It really helped us transform from being an SME that was problem solving into an SME that was actually doing research and development. That wasn't a step that we would have known how to make without support from InterTradeIreland of Innovation Boost.